What are your expansion and fundraising plans?
As I mentioned, we have been continuously expanding. So we started with 5,000 tons capacity. Today we are at 50,000 tons capacity, and that's the nameplate capacity. For production, almost this year we will be crossing about 40,000 tons production, which we will say is almost more than 100% production utilization, we can say, because normally whatever the nameplate capacity is there in this industry, the production is considered maybe about 70% of the production nameplate capacity, because the range of products is very wide, and so we are almost, we can say, more than 100% normal production capacity we are utilizing. So we are continuously expanding, and all this expansion from 5,000 tons to 50,000 tons we have done with our internal accruals. We only raised the capacity from the funds from the public in 1993, when we came out with the public issue of 6.5 crores rupees, and then after that our total expansion has been with our internal accruals. And in future also, at the moment we don't have any capacity, any plans to raise funds from outside. What the projects we have in mind, or the capacity expansion we have in mind, we are sure that we will be able to meet with our internal accruals.